Y'all, they got the fireworks again.
Back over. They had closed it until they cleaned it. Just drown or get hurt in the 3 feet of water.
Y'all love my shade, but hey guys, welcome back to start a new vlog. My name is LaTanja Frey. Is this your very first time? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hey fam, welcome back. Guys, we here for this owner's update here, and I don't want it to take up my whole day, but which we'll have nothing planned for today. But I know later on today I'm going to go. I think I'm gonna go to later on today. I know we're gonna watch the Georgia game, and I'm gonna go to the pool, get in the pool. But y'all look at the palm trees, ain't they so pretty? Look at that palm tree. But I love my shade, y'all. Let's go back inside. It's hot, so I'm gonna take y'all inside of here. That's where they go over the updates and everything on the property and your contract. Alright guys, the girls wants to go out to the shopping plaza. This one wants to go to Target. And I told her, girl, you don't want supposed to be at no Target. But these certain pants she looking for, so we going in Target. Thank you. When you smiling, y'all buy, y'all wave your hand, let them know thank you. But we out shopping now, child. I was watching the Georgia game, but we were winning, so we ain't playing nobody, so I ain't sit there and watch. Oh, these pumpkins are cute. These are so cute. I might have to get these. Ceramic bowl. That's cute. It's so cute. But I think I like this. And the brown. Oh, this have a light on it. I think I'm gonna get the 2 brown. These are pretty. I don't like these glasses. What is this? It's a vase. Yeah, I don't know what Verizon got going on, but all of Verizon's service is not working. They are really tripping. This is for salt and pepper. It's cute. don't know what Verizon got going on, but they need to hurry up and get it together. Oh, you want some wide-legged jeans? Oh, Maya, I don't like them shorts, y'all.
I was in the house sleeping.
But you know you was leaving out the house.
I didn't.
That's what you want.
No, I'm still looking for the sweatpants. I had to.
You got the money, dude. They cute. Well, I got the shirt to go with it. Oh, I like this aisle. The 50% off. This purse is cute, y'all. It's cute. It's $25. Y'all found what y'all looking for. Sweatpant on the other side, Nene. Shy. It's pretty.
How much this is?
And the brown.
$10. Oh, I'm gonna put this back.
Girl, you in Target.
Just ask her.
Oh, let me see. They got. I forgot. I thought they supposed to be taking up the beat out of. Well, they got it closed down. Can't go that way. So you saying they don't have this kind back home?
They don't have the they don't have the blue lotion. It's new edition.
Yeah.
They got all that at home.
Near, how many lotion you need?
No, this body wash is. I already got the body wash to this one, so I got lotion.
Oh my God. Let me see. Get the buggy out. Okay. Y'all finished? Y'all done? Or you still looking for them pants? I don't know if that's the one you talking about. Come on. Let's try this Dove fragrance. Oh, that one smells good. It's Garden Tea Party Roseberry Bouquet. And this one is Honeysuckle Gardenia. Oh my God, that smells good.
And so it's better.
Let me see. English Pear Blossom. Oh, these smell good. Oh, shoot. I wonder if they got these back home. Velvet Peak Feed. This smell good. I wonder if they got this back home. I'd be mad they don't. I hope they got it back home. Because I'd be upset. Alright guys, I'm going to head to the pool. My mom and my husband want to go get something to eat in the resort. So, we're going to go to the aquarium tomorrow. Oh, let me close this door. I'm coming. Maya, come on. And it's nice y'all spending time with y'all now. Maya, get your butt up and come on here.
I can't. I'm sleepy.
Go get up. You been sleeping all day. Let's go.
Come on here, Mike. God.
It's vacation. Ain't no sleeping on vacation.
Man, I'm over there dozing up in that chair. Come on here, Mike. I'm coming.
Ain't no sleeping on vacation. Where my bucket if I get me something else to drink? Where my bucket? Oh. With your bucket, you get a half price on your next drink. Y'all tell me why my granddaughter had on this sweater. She had on a hoodie yesterday. Shy, please.
You told me to put it on.
Near let her. Near let her do it. Oh, they ain't gotta put Swift near, be there.
Don't forget no. She got a crack just like you got. A switch just like you got. But definitely tell her to get yourself.
Hey, they ain't like us. Hey. DJ playing crank. Y'all look at the lazy river. Ain't it so beautiful?
Ain't no sharks in the river.
It's so nice, relax. You know what? I'm gonna do one of those things. I think it's for the tube. It's $5. I got to go. I left my money in the room.
Your towel?
What?
You can tell.
Come on. I don't know they like us. They ain't like us. They ain't like us. They ain't like us.
The Verizon thing not working. So I said you happy. I said you happy. It's my turn. He said not every time I get with somebody you do this. I said do what? I said when you happy. I'm not gonna say nothing. He said what you called me and just did. You must know something. I said
Why you being so messy?
I asked you to have a girlfriend, and then he said, and I said.
That just you just being messy. Not being messy.
Jamari.
Child.
She can't even hear you. So yeah, I said Cam.
Whew, y'all feel so good out here. Oh, what they doing? Oh. Hey y'all, breakfast this morning on the balcony. I didn't get you no water. What you did? I did breakfast this morning. Grits, egg, bacon, toast, and yours truly coffee. Y'all, we got walking out our sleep this morning. Fire drill. Everybody had to get out the building because somebody don't know how to cook no bacon. That's terrible. And then, you know, if you're cooking bacon, you need to turn the vent on anyway. Open the door. But that's somebody burning some bacon. If you don't know how to cook bacon on the stove, I'm going to insert a picture of my mama bacon on the stove up there. Just cook in the microwave. I know how to cook it on the stove, but I ain't got time for that. Just cooking on the microwave. It turned out just like this. Nice and pretty. So let me eat. I don't want to be eating with food in my mouth. Did I say grace? Did you say grace? Dear Lord, bless this food about to receive. Blessed be a nurse to our body. Bless me for preparing in your name. Amen. I like it. Y'all look like it finna storm. Actually feel good out here. They said if it's gonna rain today, they just gonna rest today. But I don't think it's gonna be all day. I don't think it's gonna be all day. Look at this cloud. This cloud was way over there. It didn't move over here. No tornado, no hurricane coming. I'm good. Whew. Say me and Mr. just chilling on the balcony. He admiring the what garden view they said we had. They said we had a garden view. We have trees and parking lot view. I hope they don't call. They should have said forest view. They should have said forest view. Cause there is not no garden. You see the garden? Ben?
Hmm?
You see the garden?
Yeah.
Where?
In my mind. Get told.
They're gonna rain. They should have just said forest view, not garden view, because this is not no garden view. They say we got the garden view.
No, they just said green and blue.
No, they should have just say forest view, because I don't see no garden.
Yeah, it is going like that. It's behind the trees.
Well, they'll go to rain. That cloud move. It's gonna move away from us.
I can't get over that damn frog. That damn frog when they was in attack mode.
That frog, oh, you just, you were so calm. A frog had jump on his arm. He was just calm. And I thought he was playing because, you know, he always playing. And I looked, the frog was down on the ground by us while we could see.
That frog jumped 4 feet off the ground.
Yeah, to get up on your arm.
I still can't see. I've seen damn frog, but I ain't seen nothing like that before. Thought the damn frog had hair on it. But I was calm though.
It looked like one of the Albana, which got
I
Albana?
don't know what that was. The only thing I can think, damn, they spit on me. I heard somebody that very poison.
Well, you were very cool, calm, and collected.
Yeah.
I just went, ah! I mean, you was calm. But with me, and I looked, and the frog on my arm. No, baby, it wouldn't turn out like that. The whole table, everything would have been flipped. Everything would have been flipped.
They just like to have a line. You got your hand in a line mouth. You don't talk shit. You wait till you get it all the way out of your mouth. You always can snatch at it. Just like that frog.
Mama call you.
Who?
Mama.
Call who?
You?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Man, what?
But yeah, guys, the
Oh, man,
fire
what?
alarm went off, I think about 8:30. Everybody out there in the parking lot with their pajamas
He's
and
all
robe on.
yesterday, now.
And I'm laying down
Now
there.
you ain't saying
And I
nothing.
started
What's
looking
going
at
on
the
with
parking lot.
that?
I said, I think we got
I
this
figured
building
that.
down.
I told you was a weatherman. You don't
But
know it.
it turned out
Huh?
somebody
Yeah, you know
was
it
burning
rain.
some
It's gonna
bacon.
rain. That's what the weatherman do when you got off there.
And this is, I think, the second time
Next
States
time,
wanted the fire
you need to
drill
take
went off.
that,
The first time was
doctor
in
with
Tampa
you.
at a hotel.
Huh?
And my grandkids gonna leave me.
I
They got
left
their
them at
book,
home,
they got
but you
their
know what I mean? I'm
bags
gonna
and
have to get
everything.
some from
Left me. I said,
Walmart.
y'all gonna leave that like, come on now. You wanna see him?
Who that is?
Why is it raining?
You said that you
You said you just wanted to rest today.
rest.
Like,
I don't think you're gonna stay because you know Florida weather. They just probably about 2 more hours. It's gonna be hot and sunny. If it cool off, I do want to go to Disney Springs this evening. Maybe they'll have a nice show out there. But right now, guys, we just chilling at the room because unfortunately it's raining. And I got this hamburger because we supposed to do a hamburger hot dog, and the rest of them, the gang didn't show up. Once my niece's son got hurt, and they just didn't come. So I'm gonna have to. My sister ended up doing her hamburger in her room while she watched the game. So I probably have to do them hamburger out of some Salisbury steak with some rice and some green beans. There you go with them. Boom, bang, quick and simple with some gravy. I'm going right there to Publix. Outside again. And I ain't outside. Well, it's still in the, what you call, the resort. It's still, you don't have to go out. That breeze feel really good. Y'all look, y'all check my Family Dollar pajama set out. $5. You can't beat that. Top and bottom is silk. $5. You know it was regular $8. They had to mark $5. You can't beat that. Can't beat it. They have several more. I ended up getting 3. I got one for my granddaughter. No, it wasn't you. The girls wants to go get a chicken sandwich. I'm not hungry. Actually, I ate my leftover chicken Alfredo, and I'm just gonna refill my bucket. Can I get a refill? What is she? Child.
she just hit me.
I just have 2 of my granddaughters on this vacation. No, she act like it's 10 of y'all. 10 of them. She acting like it.
You already pressed it. Okay.
Whew.
I'm one person and I made 20 people.
Do my outfit check for them.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Is it video?
Oh, right here, right quick.
Do all this stuff go to your phone?
Yeah, I got my phone. Gotta do my outfit check.
Okay. Oh, it moved by itself.
So this outfit is from Amazon, guys. Shoes is from Shein.
Where are we going? It's a lizard.
There's a lot of lizards around here. Oh my God. I hope I don't step on one.
I like this camera.
Go buy you one.
Buy me one.
Buy you what?
Buy me one.
You got a job.
Oh.
Hey y'all, this is her vlog or whatever. You know, Queen Nene. Clock it.
Okay, so y'all, right now we are in Orlando. We finna go to this restaurant so I can get me a chicken sandwich. No. She was trying to have her go everywhere. We just want to go get some chicken sandwiches.
Raccoon. Yeah. What? Take a picture. I thought it was a cat then mice. A raccoon. I looked in. I said, "Show you."
What color was it?
A raccoon.
It was pink and purple.
We're on the other side of the resort, y'all. This is where the pizza, BLT, you know, and another bar and the pool, and they have the fire pit. So this is another side of the resort. They have the kiddie pool on each pool if you have any little small kids. And I like the waterfall over here. The resort is huge. Whenever you would like to book at this resort, it's a Holiday Inn Club Vacation Resort, just send me a message. I can hook you up. Send me a message. I gotta take this off, the hose off. It's hot. Gotta get this stuff. You that guy just make food drinks on this. He's trying to keep it good. It smells good too. Maybe you got my double shot. I told him. My ask for plate, but I'm not home. I just ate my chicken Alfredo. That's not mama. That's not yours. Maya, take it. That's not it. I want to poop in the pool today. Huh? No, I asked for some food. I didn't ask for cheese. I don't eat cheese. I know you don't eat cheese. My mom on the phone, my uncle rushed to the hospital. He had congestive heart failure, so she on the phone with his wife. And she found it in the bathroom. What old color? What color you talking about? You talking about that lady? You talking about the color in the lady outfit? So you looking at the lady?
And you take your medicines out here.
I know I should not say it down.
Yep, that you should have kept to yourself.
You know what? That's so funny. I'm gonna tell you something.
That's like me looking at a man, old man, he look good. He look fine.
You told me the other day.
I ain't never told no man he look fine.
Yeah, you did. I'm gonna tell you what you said.
Yesterday.
You said, you know what? I know that man is a baller.
I know I said that man in shape.
Yeah. So you would have to look at the man.
He was right there talking to you. She's not talking to you. He came to talk to you.
Sometimes
So
you have to say nothing.
my husband want me to wear clothes with a lot of flowers. What you mean?
You telling me?
You can, I'm not, you can look at one if you want to. You can look. I'm glad you're looking. They can't top me.
Yeah. So he still ain't agreeing?
Man, you be telling everybody, look at it, you let yourself go.
Okay.
That man, that little better than you. Man,
I do not tell you
I
that.
don't get it. I don't get it.
I do not tell you. I do not compare you with no other man. No, I don't. No, I don't.
I don't know what the woman look like. I just see the outfit.
worried about he can't go
So
on.
I gotta go get a lot of flowers outfit.
He can't go on
I
the
like
trip.
that. I like that.
I said, baby, they got Dallas and just got
With a
paid.
lot of flowers.
They got all of that on the
That's something my grandmama
I
wear.
said, you think how many
But the outfit is
people
cute.
on down?
She got an outfit. My husband come out.
It's a cute
Don't worry about it. I would never say nothing else to you.
You were talking about her outfit, so I'm just assuming you were looking at her outfit.
Alright guys, I'm in the elevator headed to the pool. My granddaughter and them at the other restaurant, they like the chicken sandwich. Getting ready to get in the pool. I've been here since Friday and have not been in the pool. How you going on vacation don't get in the pool? They got the music going and everything. My sister did cook some lamb chop and what else she said she cooked? She cooked dinner for us. So she gonna call us. This side where I'm at, I'm in the signature area and you have to have this bracelet to get back on that end. I'm getting ready to get in this pool. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Y'all see how the water is. And the water is warm.
Is that the DJI?
Yeah,
The Pocket 3?
yeah.
Yeah, I have the same exact.
Really?
It's really good.
It is. I love it. Yeah.
Show yourselves, all right?
Thank you. Everyone at this resort, guys, is very respectful. Hospitality is very, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. This is an excellent resort, 10 out of 10. All right, y'all, I'm in the pool getting my walk on. Oh, wait a minute, can't wet my camera. I'm gonna probably go get me a tube and get on the tube and ride tonight. Give me one of the tubes and just ride on it tonight. Just relax.
Oh, you want to be the engine? My engine's here.
Woo.
Alright, here we go, engine. Oh, there's lots of bubbles. Stay away from the bubbles, Maya.
Good exercises. Good exercise. They go from 4 feet to 2 feet to 3 feet, up and down. Y'all can't hear me, but I got out the pool and I'm back here by the DJ, so I don't want to get copyright.
Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have said, I murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
But you know stand still, you know pay me like bill.
Me and the girls got in the pool for a little bit. Hubby said he wasn't getting in this time. My mom, she just said she just wanted to relax, and that's what she's doing. So we're going to actually finish throwing something because I'm getting back in the pool. So my sister's taking a shower. I'm getting back to the pool, but I'm going to head to my sister's room. She did some lamb chop. I forgot where she said. She did something else, but we're going to go in there with her room because she said she cooked dinner for us. So, just waiting on my husband. He's taking his shower again.
I'm just gonna put on a pair of shorts and that's gonna be it. But once I get over to my sister, I will get back with y'all because I don't really want to get no copyright because this music, the DJ is hidden. I should have brought my rum punch with me. Ooh, I need my other shades now. Alright, y'all, made to my sister room. She did some mashed potatoes, broccoli and cheese with some lamb chops. So let's see. Go along his Pepsi. See what I'm talking about? Come on, you want this? He doesn't.
Put it in the microwave. We get 8.
That's too much on my thing. I can say that's too much for you anyway.
We're on vacation now.
That was close. I wish you would give me the food in the paper. You got all them good dishes up in there. Y'all got extra paper towel.
Yeah.
And who gonna Mama ain't never gave you no paper plate. I used to go out there to the cemetery and tell her to put you some food in. Cause we eat in the paper plate.